Hey, need to change your phone number on Revolut? I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your number safely in 2025. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Log in and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Step 2. Go to Personal Details. Find the section labeled Phone Number and tap to edit. Step 3. Enter your new phone number. Type in your new number carefully and tap Continue. Step 4. Verify your new number. Revolut will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to confirm. Step 5. Confirmation. Once verified, your phone number will be updated immediately. Important tips. Make sure your new number can receive SMS for verification. Keep your old phone number active until verification is complete. If you lose access to your phone, contact Revolut support immediately. Done. Your Revolut phone number is now updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Revolut tips.